Kia ora, this is JC from Euromotive. Today, we're going to talk about improving your vehicle stability and handling on the road. So what is wheel balancing? Wheel balancing ensures an even distribution of weights as the wheel rotates. So what are the benefits of wheel balancing? The benefits are preventing vibration while driving, provide smoother and more comfortable ride, and reduces wear on your suspension components. Now we have fully balanced your wheel and tires. Let's move on to your wheel rotation. This vehicle doesn't need wheel rotation, but I will simulate it to you. So the front wheel, we'll remove it and move it at the back. And same thing as the back, we'll move it on the front. And that's how we rotate front wheel driven vehicles. Some vehicles have staggered fitment, which means the front wheel is smaller than the back. Unfortunately, on those ones, you can't rotate your wheels. All-wheel drive vehicles have a different method of wheel rotation. That involves on removing the back wheel and move it across front side. And on the front wheels will be moved on the same side but on the back. Is your vehicle pulling on one side while driving, or the steering wheel is not straight? Then maybe you need a wheel alignment. Wheel alignment improves the driving stability and handling on the road. Also, it lengthens the lifespan of your tires. And lastly, it improves your fuel economy. Wheel alignment is best performed by a trained technician with the correct equipment. You can expect your trained wheel alignment technician to adjust your caster, camber, and toe. For the best driving experience, it is recommended to get your wheel balanced, wheel rotated, and wheel aligned annually or every 10,000 kilometers. Thank you for watching. Any questions, comment down below.